They have obviously got a bird inside the bird feeder. It's not supposed to be a bird trap, it's supposed to be a bird feeder. Easy, buddy. We're gonna help you out. I'm gonna take the top off, see if I can. I may just have to reach in and help it. This is a small one. Small bird trapped inside of our bird feeder. It looks like we're gonna have to figure out a way of getting it out. My hand is too big to go down in the hole, so hopefully one of my kids will not be scared enough to, well, they reach down and get it out. Okay.